All right, so now we're going to talk about the lymphatic system. There are certain components of the lymphatic system that we need to cover first. First, lymph. Lymph is a fluid identical to interstitial fluid. So that fluid that is found, that extracellular fluid that's found just outside of your cells, that's what lymph is. It's the fluid that leaks out of the blood vessels and it bathes body cells. Lymphatic vessels are similar to blood vessels, but they pick up lymph and they carry it back to the blood. So they don't have a pump or anything like that. And then there are finally lymphoid tissues and organs. Lymph nodes help filter and clean lymph before returning it. The thymus plays an important role in this system as well. The tonsils help protect against pathogens that are inhaled or swallowed, and the spleen helps filter and clean the blood. And we're going to break down each of these components a little bit more. Here is a diagram of the lymph system and all of the different components. Spend a little bit of time reviewing this diagram, and we can talk about it in our discussion groups. The functions of the lymphatic system are primarily to return excess interstitial fluid to the bloodstream. It's going to transport products of fat digestion from the small intestine into the bloodstream and help defend the body against disease-causing organisms and abnormalities. There are certain homeostatic imbalances that are associated with the lymph system. Elephantiasis is a condition which parasites block the lymphatic vessels, preventing the blood from preventing the return of fluid to the blood. This causes an increase of interstitial fluid to build up and cause swelling in extremities. Results in massive swelling, darkening, thickening of the skin in the affected area. That's it for this chapter. You should be able to list the functions of the cardiovascular systems, compare the structures of arteries, veins, capillaries, explain how the structure facilitates the function of each type of vessel, and then contrast the exchange of gas in the pulmonary and systemic circuits and describe the functions and structures of the lymphatic system. All right, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.